Welcome to our channel. In this video we will discuss 6 tips to create sustainable interior designs. Sustainable interior designs are future-focused, hence long-term thinking is emphasized. Environmentally friendly lifestyle choices conserve natural resources and help in maintaining our biodiversity. You can make your interior designs more sustainable through various methods. Choose energy efficiency. Making your home interiors energy efficient is important, and there are several ways to do it. Make use of alternative energy resources like solar energy. Large windows can also be used to boost the flow of wind and decrease the use of artificial lighting. Opting steel interiors. Pick eco-friendly interior design materials. Steel and stainless steel are a great example. Steel is a particularly popular material among homeowners due to its resistance to fire, water, and termite. Using stainless steel furniture will also reduce the number of trees felled. Use modular housing. Modular units are a convenient and environmentally friendly option for your interiors because they can be easily reconfigured to a new location. There will be less amount of waste generated as you will not have to discard your old furniture. Utilize robust materials. One of the main steps of making your interiors sustainable is by reducing waste. Using a durable material like steel will help your interiors last longer so that you don't have to do your interiors again. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Da Vinci rightly said, "Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Elegance and a good eye for details creates aesthetically pleasing designs." Keeping it minimalistic doesn't necessarily have to mean having the space empty. It can mean modifying it into a spacious setting. Use plants in your decor. Plants make excellent substitutes for the majority of decor items and are a sustainable decor option. Additionally, a touch of greenery complements every interior design theme. Beth Living is your one-stop solution for sustainable interiors, as we have a zero-wood policy and don't use harsh adhesives. Our manufacturing unit uses natural solar energy for production. Make your interiors eco-friendly. Visit our website www.bethliving.com to receive a free consultation. Like, share and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching. Embrace the new.